Hi everyone, welcome to Dream Web Tuts YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to restore a deleted file by Windows Defender and Windows Computer. So if you want to use any exe file which looks like suspicious and which might be harmful for your computer, then your Windows Security and Defender will instantly block and delete this file immediately. So how to bypass Windows Security and Defender and how to restore your file. Let me show you. First of all, let me try to copy the file that I want to run. Here it's an activator KMS loader. So if I open the KMS loader and drag and drop here to unzip the KMS loader, you will see an error message and it will immediately be blocked and it will not be moved here. Okay, just drop here and you can see it's error message here. And if you want to allow this file, just click here and you can see the file that is just blocked. Click here and select allow on device. Okay, click start actions and click yes. Okay, the file is now allowed. If you just click try again, it will be copied and you can see kmsauto.exe is now here. If you want to open the file, maybe it will not be correctly open if it still block this file. But if Windows allows the file, as you can see here, I have already allowed the file here in my Windows. So double click here and see if it works. Yeah, it's working and no error message is showing. That means the file is now allowed in this device and you can now copy the file. You can do everything with this file. This is how you can bypass Windows security and allow this file. So let me show you how to find the allowed files in your Defender. Double click here in the icon Windows Defender and virus and threat protection and click allowed threads. If you click allowed threads, you can see here my file type is KMS auto. You can see here KMS auto KMS. Okay, auto KMS is now allowed threads. The Windows system is now thinking the file is now okay to use, but normally it caught this file as a suspicious file which can be harmful for you or which can be a hacking tool. But I know it's not a hacking tool, it's just an activator. This is how you can allow a blocked file in your computer which is blocked by Windows Defender and Windows Security. I hope you understand. If you want to get more details, you can just click on the Windows Defender icon and click virus and threat protection and you can see protection history, how many files were quarantined, blocked, restored, and you can see everything. If you find that some threads were already deleted, you can find them here. You can see it was deleted. You can start actions and you can restore the file if you want. The file is now in your computer, but it is not visible because Windows Defender has made it invisible for you. And if you restore here, your file will be restored here, but you can see here is the destination, local disk C users, and here is the temporary file. You can see local temp and kmsauto.exe. So this is how you can find the allowed files and the protection history and everything about this Windows Defender. But it is okay, or it is good practice. It is a good practice to turn the Windows Defender on so that any virus or any other hacking tool cannot do any harm of your computer. But as it's an activator, I know it's safe to use. That's why I enabled and I allowed this file in my computer. If you have still any question, don't forget to comment below and thumbs up this video if you like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Dream Web Tuts to get more tutorial like this. I will see you in another video. Bye.